Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, today's topic is to uh, tell you how quickly we can migrate the data from Excel to other systems via using text files. Right? So we have included the button in our toolbar. How to add a button, you already know, I assume. Let's start with adding to the button so that you get the revision. Okay, we will add a new button, uh, and then we will attach that button, and we will assign a macro to that button. And whenever we select range, which is more than a column and more than a row, right? So it will, but otherwise, if you click, if you don't select anything, right, and uh, only one cell, so there will be no impact of it, right? So, so let's start with it. Uh, going to Alt F11. Yeah. Okay. In here we have this toolbar procedure, which creates the toolbar. Create my toolbar. Okay. In this module 14, we have placed it. Okay. So this is executed on the file open. If you go to the file, the procedure, it is written in it that the toolbar is to be created. Create toolbar. So creating toolbar, for to execute this, it will come automatically to this module, and it will perform all these creation of the toolbar plan. So it starts with the face IDs. You know, there are so many face IDs available. Uh, so for this one, we have used 444, for example. Okay, you can give any number between one uh, to 1024 probably. Okay, so any number you give, so that will come up with a new shape. So it came up with a new shape, right? Then what we do is we go to set this new, right? We copied the above one, 37 one, made it 38, and all we needed to do is write the new macro, which we have written, and give a description of it so that when the mouse is placed on the toolbar, uh, this is the, this is shown on the screen. My toolbar converting Excel data to a text file, right? Converting Excel data to a text file, right? So far so good. Now, uh, so this is the procedure. Very short one. It's not a lengthy procedure. Only a few lines here, and you have to understand. The code is very understandable. The first thing it checks that if what is the address of the selection you have made. For example, you go to the PO header. Yeah, in the PO header, you make a selection like this. You made a selection, the entire table, right? Okay, and then you click in here, so it will start working, right? What will it do? It will start. It will first of all give you the message that if it is more than a column, more than a row, then you will get a message that ready to export, right? So it will set up these variables, and then it will make a file name on which it is going to export daily PO update. And to make it unique, it is taking date, month, and day, month, and year, and hour, and minutes, and seconds. So this will make it a unique file. to be created. And then this is the file open command for output. Nothing opens, only in a buffer one for output. A file is created in the memory, and then this procedure picks each and every cell and plots and places it in the text file. And one line is completed, it prints it, right? It accumulates everything in the data. Data is initially blank. Now taking all the column to column, column to column, putting a comma afterward, and then it is added into the data, and then the data is printed. Printed where? In the buffer one, right? In the buffer one. What is buffer one? This is as buffer one, where you open the file for output. And this how it goes until the row number 700. That's it. So let's run it. So straight away, we have made the selection. You click here like this. It echoed the message that you have, it is ready to export the data from range A1 to P700. But okay, so that's it. So it is exported, and you can go and see that the file is created. If I go macro, you see this is 730 at the moment, and this is the 730. Yeah, right. So the file is created. Let's open it and see. So this is the file. So the header and all the data is there. Okay. So what we do here is yeah, we we close it and try to see how it imports, So let's go to the new file, for example, and this is probably the new system. Right? Now we have uh, provided them the export file. So what will they do? They will go to the data and get the file from text file, and this is the text file. We are going to, we say click OK, import, and it is importing. You see, it is taking all the data, the column headers, and until this, and then it is ready to import, to import, right? So you can load it to the new system, and it is now loaded. Yeah? It has beautifully loaded the data into the new sheet with the sheet name and the which name we gave that 7:13:44 seconds. So to make it unique, right? Something. Okay, so this is how we export the data, and this is how we write the code to do this. Thank you very much.